time ago. Me and my brother Kyle here, we were hitchhiking down a long and lonesome road. All of a sudden, there shined a shiny demon in the middle of the road. And he said, "Play the best song in the world, or I'll eat your soul." Well, me and Kyle, we looked at each other, and we each said, "Okay." And we played the first thing that came to our heads. Just so happened to be the best song in the world. It was the best song in the world. Oh, yeah. Oh. And it saved our butts. As the demon of the killers but he was forced to set us free by the barnacle. The demons have to let him find, 'cause it's Satan's surprise and it's magic, and it's a mystical disguise. The devil's song and it's tragic. You are the mystical-eyed virgin and you're rocking. Well, needless to say, the beast was stunned. Crack went your swampy tail, and the beast was done. He asked us, "Be you angels?" And we said, "Nay, we are but men, rock." This is not the greatest song in the world, no. This is just a tribute. Couldn't remember the greatest song in the world, no. Now this is a tribute to the greatest song in the world. All right, to the greatest song in the world. All right, it is the best motherfucking song, the greatest song in the world. I'm glad to go for gay from flat to go flat up, flat up, flat up, flat up, flat to go Mama Lucifer. And the peculiar thing is this, my friends. The song we played on that fateful night didn't actually sound anything like this song. This is just a tribute. You gotta believe me, and I wish you were there. Just a matter of opinion. Fuck! Good God, and God love him. I'm so surprised to find you can't stop him. A fine little bound rich motherfucker, you got guitar.
All right. I've heard enough. Listen, don't call us again unless you have a good reason.
But I'm a writer.